Hi, this is Nadia from LifterLMS, and in this video, I'll show you how you can make a LifterLMS lesson or course free without requiring a visitor to log in or enrolling. As you can see, I already have a course and this course is totally free. But still, if people want to access my course content, they are seeing something like, you must enroll in this course to access the course content. That means first they have to enroll my course and then they will be able to access the course content. It's a free course, but still they have to enroll first to access the course content. So this is how LifterLMS default setting works. Also, you can see this first lesson has a tag free and I am able to access these lessons without any restrictions. So if I open it, I can access these lessons. Because I have used LifterLMS free lesson features on my first two lessons, that's the reason there is no restrictions, but on the other lessons, there is a restrictions that I have to enroll first. So, for example, if you want that your course is free, but still you don't want that people will enroll and then they will access the course content, you want that everyone can access the course without enrolling. So that time you can use LifterLMS free lesson features. You can apply that features for some specific lessons, or you can, if you want that the whole course will be accessible without enrolling or logging, that time you can make all your course lesson free so that people can access all your courses without enrolling or without any restrictions. So that time actually you can use LifterLMS free lesson. So in this video, I'll show you all the settings about LifterLMS free lessons features. So first of all, we have to visit our WordPress dashboard. Then we have to visit courses and courses. So I will click on this course builder because I need to make all lessons free. I don't have any work with the access plan because already my access plan is free. Now I have to make all my lessons free. So as you can see, my first two lesson is free lesson. You can see here is the free lessons tag. So these lessons are free already. Now I will make all other lessons free. So to make a lesson free, we have to follow some simple steps. We have to click on settings. So if I have to select a specific lesson and then here I have to click on settings. Then after that, you can see when I click on settings, there is the option free lesson. We have to just enable this option. So now my lesson is free. I will do the same process for my all lessons. Just we have to click on settings. Then we have to enable the free lesson option. If you want that you will apply this free lesson features on some specific lesson, you can do that. But if you want that the whole course will be free, then that time you can select all lessons free. So it's almost done. So now my all lessons are free, and now I will show you the public view of the course now, that how student can see it now. So for that, first I will visit my website. Then I will visit courses. So here is my course. I will just copy the link and I will open it in a private window so that I can show you the public view. So here is the public view of this course, and you can see all my lessons are free and people don't need to enroll my course now. They can access the lessons without any enrollment or without any login. So this is how the free lesson features works. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thanks for watching.